And I remember looking out in a view like this. And I looked out and I said, God, you are not just out there, but you are in me. And that was a revelation that I had, and now I know that to be true, is that God desires to live in you. And my heart was so hard for so long. My heart was so heavy for so long. But as God softened my heart, I received him as my Lord. I received him as my Savior. Because I knew that my good works couldn't do enough. I thought that if you're a good person, you'll make it to heaven. I thought if you're a good person, God will forgive me. He's a loving God. But the love of God goes deeper. It goes deeper than that. And that's when I heard the true gospel of Jesus dying for my sins on the cross, bleeding for me, washing me, cleaning me. And he cleaned me from the inside out. You are worthy of it all. For from you are all things, and to you are all things. You deserve glory. Bota digno di tu voz. Bota digno di tu voz. Turco sabini fornito. Turco sabravoso. Con merecer gloria. Bota digno di tu voz. Bota digno di tu voz. Turco stabili fornito. Turco sabravoso. Con merecer gloria. Bota digno di tu voz. Bota digno di tu voz. Turco sabini fornito. Turco sabravoso. Con merecer gloria.
Yes. So let's all stand together. We can stand over here and over here. And maybe I can have a G. Let's go. Here we go.